Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to App Store in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open your App Store, you see an error which is cannot connect to App Store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go back from here and you have to scroll in your control center and just make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, or you can also try to connect with a different stable and the strongest network connection, or you can try to open your browser here, go for search and just simply search for any website to check if your internet is working well or not. If you might see any errors, so try to connect with a different network connection, then go to your settings app here, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, we can just scroll down and look for software update. Just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back from here and just go to transfer reset iPhone. Select reset, then select reset network settings, enter the iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network setting, you just have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, just simply or quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for the Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might be fixed if it's just a network issue, or you can go to your settings app here, go to screen time section, and go to content privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from here. Then go back, and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might be fixed if it's only your mobile issue or your network issue, but if your issue is still not fixed, you can go back, open your browser here, just go to search and simply search for Apple status. So just simply search for Apple system status, and you just have to open the first website from here. Then tap on this plus option or the cross icon here, and you have to look for App Store, and you have to check if your app store is available or not. If you might see here not available or anything else, so it might be that your app store is not working or your server issue, so you just have to wait for almost 2 hours 3 hours. Sometimes it might take 24 hours to fix it, so you just have to try to wait for that. And after, when your app store will be available, you can easily use your app store without an issue like that, or you can also try to contact with the Apple Support team to get actual help. So now to do this, you just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, then select this more option. Select the App Store, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Colors. After that, you will find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get actual help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.